fam, Lamasbella here. Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, you already know what we're going to be getting into. I'm going to be showing you how I created my beautiful Euphoria inspired makeup look. Now this is a very dramatic makeup look, but I've been in love with the series Euphoria and I know that a lot of other people have been too. But anyway, I saw this makeup trend because so many people were doing this Euphoria inspired makeup look, so I went ahead and recreated it and put my own creative spin to it. I also used my Bella G lashes in the style Lupita. Bella G lashes are the most comfortable, the most lightweight lashes that you will ever own. I guarantee it. Feel free to shop at bellaglashes.com. I'll also be sure to drop all of the social media platforms down in the description, but this is in the style Lupita. Great, so my battery's dying, so we're just gonna jump right in.
Hey baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair flow when the wind blows. Even if the money been slow, hey, to you it don't matter, cause you still gon' ride with me. You still gon' ride with me. I say you still gon' ride with me.
Okay, awesome. So we're ready to get started. I'm going to start off by prepping my skin. For this step, I will be using the original MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray. And then with my portable fan, I'm just going to go ahead and help dry this on the skin. I love this portable fan. I've been using it for all of my makeup looks lately. If you are interested in getting this, I got it on Amazon and I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description below. For primer today, I will be using the YSL Blurring Primer. So for this product, a little bit does go a long way. Be sure to use like a really small size on your fingertips and then apply it beginning in the center of your face and then outwards. Sorry if you guys hear something really annoying in the background. They started to mow the lawn the minute I wanted to film, so how great is that? So since this is like a nice Euphoria look, I just want to look really vibrant and like golden and just kind of like sparkle and beam in the sunlight. I don't know why I get that when I think of like Euphoria. I just get all this like beaming, sparkling kind of type energy. So I am going to be applying a small highlighter base to the skin before I put on foundation. For this step, I will be using the Huda Beauty Body Highlighter. This is in the shade Luna. I've said this in my videos before, but this type of formula can be pretty tricky to work with. So you just want to make sure that you're applying the product on your brush and then applying it on the skin, moving it immediately. Don't let it sit, don't let it wait. Just go ahead and put it on your brush and then start blending it out. For foundation today, I will be using two different products. The first one's going to be the NARS Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is in the shade Medium 4 or Barcelona. And then for my other foundation, I will be going in with the Bare Minerals Fresh Face Made to Fit Foundation. This shade was specifically made for my skin tone at the time. Right now, I'm using both of them because this shade has become too light for my face and this shade has become too dark for my face. So when I'm done applying that with my foundation brush, I just like to go in with my beauty blender really quickly to just push most of the product in and then just to take away any excess foundation that's on the skin. Now I'm ready to conceal. For this step, I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Medium. I'm going to be hitting my usual spots, which is under the eyes, a little bit on the lids, and then just really sculpting out the bridge of my nose and doing a little bit on my Cupid's bow and then my chin. I'm also going to go in and contour my nose a little bit. I will be using this medium shade here and just really sculpting out my nose. Great, so now I'm going to start baking, which is really going to create that mattifying look to my face. I love matte looks. It's my go-to. They're my favorite. I'm not a fan of like the dewy looks for some reason. It's just never been me. So I'm going to go ahead and bake a lot. If you guys have seen my videos, you guys know how much I love to bake. So don't judge me if this is your first time seeing just how much I bake. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and take off this top bake right here. I'm going to use a huge fluff brush. So I'm just kind of creating like a clean slate so I can do my brows really quick. For brows, I'm going to be using the same thing that I always use in my makeup looks. That's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Trust me, I've tried using other products, but for some reason, I just know how this one works. I know how to manipulate it, and I just know how to apply it. Okay, so now that my brows are on, I'm ready to go in with my eyeshadow makeup. I'm going to go ahead and take off this bake here. So the purpose of this bake is just to kind of create that nice smooth base, so when I am ready to apply my eyeshadow, it's really seamless and effortless. So even if you put concealer on and you don't bake your lids, you're gonna start off with like a sticky, tacky base, and it's gonna be a lot harder for you to blend your eyeshadows. So for some reason, Euphoria tends to just give me this color scheme of like berry and deep blues and like mercury and like, I don't know, like galaxy kind of colors. So I'm gonna go in using my Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection eyeshadow palette. This is the palette called Bling Boss. So I know the controversy with these eyeshadow palettes. Trust me, I was one of the people that got a bad batch the first time I purchased this, but since then it was returned and it was replaced for a new one, and since then I've done numerous looks with these eyeshadow palettes and I have not had any issue with blending or anything like that. That's just me in my case. I'm not trying to defend her entire scheme of everything that happened for it, but for this look I am going to be using this specific color palette because I just think it's beautiful and I think it's perfect for that galaxy kind of look that I'm going for. For my first color, I will be going in with the shade Hush Hush, and I'll just be applying it all over the lid. So now that that color is all over the lid, I'm going to be going in with my darkest shade. That's going to be the shade Mystic. And with a small, very precise fluff brush, I'm just going to be packing this onto the lid. So now that I have the lightest shade and the darkest shade on my lid, I'm going to go in with the shade Spark. And this I'm going to put right on the crease of the lid, and it's just going to create that nice gradient feel, and it's going to connect the darkest shade with the lightest shade. So to top this look off, I'm going to go in with the last shade, which is Glitz and Glam. I'm going to be applying this with my finger at first just to kind of warm up the shade, and then I'll be going in with a brush to kind of make it more precise. So now I'm ready to do my bottom liner, but first I'm going to go ahead and take off this lower bake just so I have a clean slate. For my lower lash line, I will be using the shade Berry Treasure. And I'm just focusing this color directly on the lower lash line. Of course, this would not be a Euphoria-inspired makeup look if I didn't have a wing liner. So for wing liner today, I will be using the Tarte Gel Liner. And I'm just going to do a really nice wing. So I'm going to give my eyes a break for a little bit, but of course we're not finished with them because this would not be a Euphoria-inspired makeup look without the Swarovski crystals and all the nice, beautiful gems. So before I finish this look off, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then I'll go back with the crystals and my lashes. Alright, so the first thing I have to do is take off the rest of this bake. I've baked long enough. I'm good to go. I'm ready. For contour today, I will be using the KKW Powder Contour and Highlighting Kit. These are the medium shades. I'm going to start off with my big ass forehead, and I'm going to be using this darkest shade right here. Awesome, so now I'm ready to highlight this beautiful face. Okay, so for highlight today, I will be using the Resi highlighting palette. This stuff is beaming, you guys, but I am extra, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the cheekbones, you know, my usual spots. And since I have my highlighter out, I'll use this opportunity to hit my brow bones. Now, I'm a huge person. I need my highlighter, like the cheekbones of my highlight. My highlighting cheekbones need to match my brow bone highlighter. For some reason, I hate it when I have a different highlighter for my brow bone and then a different one for my cheekbones. I can notice it. I notice it. I don't know why. That's just me and my OCD. So yeah, I hit all the highlighting places whenever I'm ready to highlight. For lips today, I will be using the shade Bohemian from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick Collection. So So now finally for the step that you guys have all probably been waiting for, the beautiful Swarovski crystals. So there's so many ways you can do this. I have a specific way that I absolutely love, so we're going to be doing that in today's video, but feel free to do whatever you want to do on your lid. Everything's going to look good. I have my Swarovski crystals right here. So I got this little sheet at Michael's. I think it was $2.99. It has 3 different sizes of crystals. I personally like the smallest ones the most. And then you're also going to want some glue. So you could use glitter glue. I personally use lash glue. The only bad thing about my lash glue is that it is black and it dries black. So to use it as an adhesive for these crystals, I just have to make sure it stays at the back and it doesn't smear open. like when I press it, it doesn't like smear outside. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I am gonna be using my little lash applicator just to help me grab the crystals because they are really small. So the lash applicator just really helps with the precision of it. So here I have the smallest crystal and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lash glue. And when I say a little bit, I mean a tiny bit. I'm gonna stick this one here right on the corner lid. I'm gonna use the end of my lash applicator just to kind of press it on there. So my second one here, I'm gonna be applying this one right in the center middle bottom lash. So I'm ready for my last crystal here, and I'm going to be putting this right on the outer corner of the lower lash line. Oh my god, this looks so pretty already. So now ready for my fourth one, I'm going to be putting this right under the brow bone. And then we're ready for our next one, and I'm going to be putting it right next to the one that we put right under the brow bone. My next crystal is going to go right at the top bridge of my brow. So this is going to be the highest part of my brow bone, or of my brow. Finally, the last crystal is going to end at the bottom of the lash. Not so much the edge of the lash, but right before it ends. So just to speed things up, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're ready to finish off this look with some lashes. So the way that I like to apply my lashes is I like to curl my natural lashes first. After I've curled my natural lashes, I apply mascara to them, and then after that is when I'll apply the false lashes. For lashes today, I will be using a pair of the Bella G lashes. This is in the style Lupita. Okay guys, this is it. This is the finished Euphoria inspired makeup look. I really enjoyed creating this for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, it's not hard at all. Just got to make sure you have the tools that are going to help you be efficient with it. But yeah, if you have any questions regarding any products, any tools that we used in today's video, feel free to sound off in the comment section below. But as always, I'll try to be as informative as I can be down in the description. Like I said in the beginning of this video, we are almost to 1,000 subscribers, which is so bizarre to me. It's something I never thought I would be able to get to, but it's almost here. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to do so right now. I have a lot of really great content coming soon. And if you want to know what lashes I'm wearing in today's look, they are the Bella G lashes in the style Lupita. I promise you these are the most comfortable lightweight lashes that I have in my collection. These are going to be the most comfortable lightweight lashes that you will ever own. The unique design of the lash band just allows so much comfortability. I guarantee you you're going to love these. Feel free to shop on our website. It's bellaglashes.com. You can also follow us on all of our social media platforms. I'll be sure to link that down in the description. I'll also be sure to drop my social media platform handles so you can follow me and all of my content. So that's going to conclude today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I'm Lamasbella, and I'm so thankful you've come across my channel. I really hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Okay, fam, we're really out this time. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.